Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it gives us access to advanced camera settings. As you can see here in the photo settings, and the second place we have the audio control. So by tapping on this we get access to this button where we can turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. And also we can pick how to take a photo from two options: say cheese to take photos or speak loudly to take photos. So for now let me stay on say cheese to take photos, and let's go back to the camera to show you how to take a photo with just one word without touching a screen. So let me say cheese. And as you can see, the photo was taken. So this is really easy here and really good. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.